Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing this face for the first time, hey, my name is Lela, but you can also call me Mrs. Chops. So today is another day in the vlog. What day is it today? I don't know what day it is today. I'm excited. Our washing machine got here, and it's been connected already, but we haven't used it because Zesa is doing the things. Actually, when we liaised to the plumber to come connect it, my getangariko, but then by the time they arrived, my getavaenda, so we only tested it with the generator to see if it's working and there's no leakage, and that everything is well sorted. But the thing also that the other reason why we haven't why we didn't do a lot of washing is we don't have auto washing powder. Like guys, I've known like we're getting a washing machine like for a month or so now, and when it came, because we bought it from AC, it was supposed to come together with powder and whatever the detergents that are suitable for the machine, right? But then something happened, and now they're coming like a week later. So yeah, they're just gonna come per weekend actually, because my sister is coming back from AC per weekend. So guys, God is good. I know to some people like a washing machine, like some people is as the basic to them, but for me, like I don't know what to say. But I think this year is like I've been wanting a washing machine for the longest, but it was just not working in our budgets. And also like we were like, okay, we're just gonna finish the house first, then we're just gonna buy the gadgets after everything else is done. But since we moved into this house, laundry has been a hassle to do because we are living in an unfinished home and we don't have tiles. There's just dust everywhere, and the kids will be chlorine and jachingo wumburuka and all that stuff. So shame. So this year I was like, by March we should have bought a machine, and that was one of my resolutions for this year in terms of home things and in terms of that stuff.
But mommy,
now
made
the
a
machine
mistake.
is here.
You're supposed to first put tiles, because then you're going to have to pull up the washing machine again so you can put tiles under it.
Yeah, that's just a small job. 20 meters. So that's what we're gonna do when
Where
we
are
get
you
the
going
machine.
to put it after lifting it up?
We'll just put it somewhere else.
What if that somewhere else? You have to get it back.
Yeah,
and
we'll carry it back.
You carry it back. I'm not carrying it back.
Did you carry the machine?
No.
So why are you complaining? Who said you're gonna carry it?
Me.
So guys, God answered our prayer and we managed to buy a washing machine just on time to tick the box. And guys, I cannot wait. I cannot wait to do laundry, guys. This intro is now too long. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. And enjoy the vlog, guys. See you in the now I need to make my bed and just head up the house. So that's what I'm about to do. Yes, she's about to take a bath. Everyone else is bath except here. vlog. So I've just finished tying my hair. I want to do a, what do they call it, a ponytail. So I'm just gonna braid the braids here. Oh my goodness, and the braids here. So I just need to braid them so that I can, put it behind me. So I think I'm gonna use 2 packs because I want it to be thick. I just want it to be so thick. So I don't know how to lay in this, but I tried. I don't know if you can see. I tried. I actually did not have edges, but I just tried to remove some hairs and lay those. So I hope you guys have watched my previous vlog, and if you watched my previous vlog, well, I don't know if it's the previous vlog because my vlogging pattern is not structured, so it might actually be like 2 videos ago because I'm not one to do the weekly vlogs, which are what's the word, consecutive videos or consecutive vlogs about our lives. This is because, guys, we just live a simple life and it's kind of monotonous, so I cannot be vlogging like weekly because it will be just the same things, and I cannot vlog the same type of videos weekly because it just becomes the same video that you're gonna watch. That's why sometimes in between the vlogs I put the hair videos, I put the sit down videos, I also put like videos like the one that you watched about Nzungu and Nemo, all that stuff, the building videos, because we don't do much around here. We don't do much, we just do what we do, and that's our life, guys. Yeah, it is actually. So let me do this. So I hope you watched the previous videos and you enjoyed. So I was about to say, in the previous video, well, in the video that I'm talking about, I mentioned that we got our washing machine, right? Yes, but until now we haven't used it because we don't have washing powder. And yesterday my gets, we don't have washing powder, and also my gets is a problem. But yesterday my gets came back early, and we were actually about to go and buy washing powder as we wait for my sister to come from SA. And then we're just like, let's just wait for her. So now I have like 3, 4, actually there are almost now 4 baskets of laundry, of dirty laundry that needs washing, and we're gonna wash it when the powder gets here. And my friend was telling me that it really doesn't matter even if you use just regular washing powder, which I have. What do you guys think? But then I told you, me being me and me having been waiting for this machine for the longest of time, I'm gonna start with the auto washing powder until I'm satisfied. Then I will move in to do the cost effective things, and Canada Jaira that Jaira, the ins and outs of what's ins and outs. Anyway, Canada Jaira how to use a washing machine. Ndakuzvitemba, and also ndakutemba my machine. That's when I, of course, notemba my machine, but ndakuzvitemba then I will maybe use regular washing powder for it. But for now, I'm just gonna wait for my auto laundry powder and wash when it's here. I don't know, you guys, what do you think? Should I just go ahead and use it? Well, I'm not gonna use it anyway, I'm just asking, but would you use it? Excuse the noise. Tinogara kurodisa guys. Come on. So I don't know what you guys think. Would you use it? Honestly, me, I'm not gonna use it now, maybe later. But you guys, would you use regular washing powder? Does it really matter? Because she was actually telling me that she has a cousin who uses even dish liquid. Liquid dish soap. What do you guys think? I'm waiting for you to answer in the comment section. Then I'll proceed with the video. So please answer. I'm side eyeing you if you haven't typed and you have a washing machine. And even if you don't, maybe you have someone who has told you that it doesn't matter. What do you think? Alright, thank you. Let's move on. Back. I'm back. Michaela. Hello. Hi. Did you miss me?
Not much.
Oh, really? You did. Eliana, you did miss me, right?
But I didn't.
Ah, Taro. Seriously, you guys didn't even miss me. Yo. So guys, we went and bought this. Everyone.
I never seen that soap.
So we're just coming from Pick and Pay, and this is the only brand we could find, which is on auto washing powder, because we just couldn't wait until the weekend to do our laundry. Since electricity is here, we're just gonna do that now. I hope it's good. So it's Keep Anti-Aging Detergent. That's what you're gonna use and try.
Never going to the club.
No, I'll go and get them. Don't worry. So get the ones in your room also, the ones that you did not put in the washing basket. So let's do this. The machine is right here, but you guys are not gonna see it because you're gonna see the machine when I upload the unboxing video and all that stuff. So we need to do this. I'm sure. So I need to now sort the laundry according to type, colors, and all
Look, we
that
didn't
stuff.
take white.
Don't throw them in.
I
just
told
yet.
Eliana that we should not put white. Now it's really glitter.
Yes. So to put
Remember
up
zip area? I don't know about zips.
no, it's fine. The
So guys,
picture, just give me Eliana's cup. I'll use the one.
Mama, it's in a zip.
Yes, no, we're not gonna watch that first. Spanish and do watch. I'm just gonna start with Jeremo washing basket here.
I just want to watch. I don't care.
But it's very light, so even I can't even see anything. What's going on?
Maybe it's supposed to spill.
I don't think so.
How do you know? She's our mother. Put it on another side. Ooh, yeah. Another side.
No, the side.
Yeah. I can't wait seeing this.
Guys, proof that I have not washed in the longest of time. Literally did not wash my kids' uniforms when the schools closed because that sound was waiting for that sound.